Hello friends, welcome to this software testing tutorial series and let's start. Why testing require? Why there are industry of testing and why there are company has a separate division of testing. So let's see. So why testing is necessary is because of software have likely to have the fault and the testing team or tester will get that fault to identify and to identify the gaps of the system which is not as per the actual requirement. To learn about the reliability of the software, to find the software and to identify software it's reliable in different uh, environment and in different working with in different type of combination. A third one is because failure can be the very expensive. In case of the failure of product from the customer end, it can be the very expensive for the company. So testing is necessary to identify such issue in house and to fix that issues and to deliver a quality based product to the customer. To avoid should by the customer. A customer is the main for the our software or our product. So if the customer is not satisfied, it can create the problem for us. So to deliver actual and as per the customer requirement product, we need a testing and tester will identify the requirement is satisfied or not. To stay in a business, there are business running and all business require the quality products and in time products. So if you have the product and if you have doing the service and your service or your product is not up to mark, then it can be the dissatisfaction for your product. So nowadays the thing is that each and every customer are uh, taking and using the product based on the review. So review is a kind of testing. So to stay in a business you should have the specific testing system. Even for you should have the external certificates of testings. As you know, there are many certificates running for software level product and hardware level products. So basically, to release quality product, reliable product to the customer, we need a testing. Thanks for watching this video, and please like our video and share with your friends. Share your valuable comments and feedback in YouTube comment section, and don't forget to track our blog and you can see the blog name bugmonster.blogspot.in. Thank you.